Think the Xiaomi L1 Pro is just for movies? Think again. Today, we're exploring 5 unexpected ways this powerful device can enhance your creativity, entertainment, and lifestyle. Whether you're a DJ or just love music, the L1 Pro delivers crystal-clear audio that fills the space, perfect for parties and events. Need an amplifier for live performances? The L1 Pro ensures your music reaches every corner. Looking to boost your podcast or live stream? Get studio-quality sound that makes your voice clear and engaging. Perfect for camping trips, tailgating, or beach parties. Take the music with you wherever you go. Need a reliable speaker for public speaking or presentations? The L1 Pro ensures your voice is heard loud and clear. Turn any room into a music hub with immersive, high-fidelity sound. Gamers, take note! The L1 Pro brings deep bass and immersive sound for the ultimate gaming experience. Hosting a party? Keep the energy high with high-quality sound that keeps everyone dancing. Need a reliable speaker for classrooms or meetings? The L1 Pro makes lectures and presentations more engaging and impactful. From music and gaming to outdoor adventures and public speaking, the Xiaomi L1 Pro is more than just a speaker, it's an experience. How do you use yours? Let us know in the comments.